Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are having a great day. A gracious warm welcome to all of you on our channel. So today we are going to have a conversation with Akhil Bansal. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So hi Akhil, how are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing well. Thanks for asking. So before having conversation, please introduce yourself in front of my audience so that they can get to know about yourself.
My name is Akhil Bansal and I study in class 12. I am from science and maths background and I live in Gwalior, that's in Madhya Pradesh. And I am interested in playing mobile games and watching movies. These are my hobbies.
It's great to hear about yourself. So, Akhil, you said that you like watch to movie most. So, which kind of movies do you like most to watch? Like,
I like science fiction movies and funny movies.
okay. So, what kinds of science fiction movies do you like to watch? Could you please tell me any movies name?
There's a Hollywood director named Christopher Nolan. He make great movies of science fiction. I've watched some of his movies.
Okay. So, which kind of science fiction movies? Could you please tell me any name of that kind of movie?
I recently watched a movie named Oppenheimer. It is a movie
Okay.
based on atomic bomb
Oh,
which was dropped in Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. So it's a
okay.
great movie. I would recommend you to watch it.
Yeah, absolutely correct. I have listened this kind of movies. Yeah, I think I have watched that movie. Yeah, because I remember this movie little bit. Yeah, we can say it is a kind of a good movie. So it's really good to hear about that. So apart from that, if I ask to you, what kind of foods do you like most that you relish with?
I like mostly fast foods
Yeah.
like pizza and burger, sometimes French fries.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Okay. Fast food, actually, if I talk about myself, I also like fast food, all types of fast
Yeah.
foods I like because I'm too much foodie person. I like all types of Chinese foods like chow meins, Manchurian, spring roll, etc. Apart from that, if I talk about any South Indian food, so I like very much dosa. It is one of my favorite dishes. And all kinds of North Indian foods I also like most. So, do you like any North Indian foods item?
North Indian, I like pav bhaji and chole bhature. Chole bhature
Yeah,
are my favorite.
actually, while talking about this, my mouth is watering too much.
So,
So, yeah, today I want to go outside for having that kind of foods. But I like most homemade food also whenever I take this. Once in a week, I want to go outside so that I can relish with that kind of foods so that we can enjoy with the outside food as well. So, Akhil, I want to ask one question to you. Do you think about social media is helpful or harmful for us? So, what's your opinion on that?
see, everything has its pros and cons. Like its pros are that it helps you to connect with people
Yeah,
and
definitely.
and you can talk with your relatives far, which are very far from you, and it helps you to reach new people
Yeah,
and make new
definitely.
friends. And yeah, in and it's also have its cons. Like its cons are like people use it most of the time. They forgot their daily tasks because
Mhm.
of it. So it's a major problem nowadays.
Yeah, absolutely correct, Akhil. You said well. Your all points are totally correct. I totally agree with your all points that you have said because everything has pros and cons. I know. So, what is the main basic things? Multiple people they are busy with the mobile phone or the social media, so they don't know what is their goal. If they engross with any video while watching that videos, they forget their task and they just engrossed with their work. So they don't know what they are doing. So I think they need to understand about their goal, because it is the biggest problem in the world. Multiple students, they moving towards to the social media. So for that purpose, they need to make a plan, they need to make a schedule, so that they just indulge with the social media only for the particular time, so that they can understand the importance of the time, you know. So you said well. And apart from that, here are the multiple varieties that we can achieve as a advantages, you know. Here are so many advantages that we can get easily. So apart from that, if I ask to you another question, if you had a superpower, so what it would be?
I would take the superpower to stop the time
Oh, so what you
because
want to do after stopping the time?
after stopping the time, you can go to the places that you are not allowed to go. But there are places you can explore in the monuments that are closed for tourists, but I can visit there
Yes.
and I can get anything that I want from any store.
Yeah, I think it's all things that you are saying. It's most hilarious and amusing. It's lots of
Yeah,
have fun if you all want to do like this. So I think you want to have fun in your life after stopping the time.
yeah,
You can go everywhere. So it's a
yes.
great thing. It's really great to hear about that. If we discuss some idioms, so there is no problem if you know about that. So you can give me answer. Otherwise, you if you don't know, so there is no problem. So you can tell me. So I will
Okay.
give you answer. Okay. I'm asking some idioms to you. So one of them is once in a blue moon.
It means once in a month, like something uh,
Very rarely. If we do something
very
very
rare,
rarely, yeah,
very rarely.
rarely,
We
rarely.
go,
बहुत कम करते हैं जब हम
we
तो या कोई काम हम बहुत कम करते हैं, then we can say once in a blue moon. So could
blue
you
moon.
please make a sentence on that particular idiom?
Like we go out once in a blue moon or something
Yeah,
like that.
yeah, definitely. Okay. One another is piece of cake. A piece of cake.
It means it's very easy. Using a phone is a piece of cake for me.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, all right. And another one is the ball is in your court.
It means that you are having the opportunity to control.
Yeah,
captain told me, for
control the
example, that
situation. Yeah, you
control the
can get any
situation,
opportunity to control the situation, then you can
control the
say like that.
situation.
Yeah. Can you make a sentence on that
Like captain told me that ball is in your court
to handle the situation?
while to handle the situation.
Okay, definitely. So all idioms are correct that you have told me. So it was a commendable conversation with you, Akhil. I really admire your speaking way. And apart from that, whatever you have put your points, it was really appreciating. And we tattle a lot. So I want in a future again conversation with you. Would you like to conversation with me again?
Yeah, I would like to do it again. And thank you again for inviting me to your channel.
Yeah. Had you fun with that?
Yeah, I have a lot of fun.
Okay. So again, I will invite you. So please come again.